Imagine you Google something and instead of links or a text summary, you get a freshly generated video with voice, visuals, and captions. Perplexity is already testing AI made videos. Google's Veo can generate high quality clips. Video answers sit above traditional results. Does that kill YouTube? Or does it supercharge it? Let's break it down today. Quick fact check. Perplexity has begun rolling out short text to video answers for subscribers. You type prompt, you get a short clip, sound on. Google's Veo can create high quality videos and apply watermarks for provenance. Platforms already label realistic AI content and are adding creative tools to make production faster. So the pieces exist. The question is, how will this show up in search? Is this gonna change the whole search narrative? Picture this. You search, what is rag in AI? Or is cat an animal? Something of that sort. The top result is a 30 to 60 second explainer video. Clean narration, simple diagrams, and auto captions. Below it, you still see blue links and sources, but the first thing you watch is a short video answer. Why start with short topics? Simple, it's latency and cost. Generating millions of videos per day is expensive. So phase 1 focuses on templated, high confidence queries, how-tos, quick explainers, and product overviews. So who wins and who loses at this? The viewers win. Faster answers, visual learning, and built-in captions. Who would say no to that? Platforms, huge win. More time on the page, a new ad inventory. Fast creators, huge win for them. Those who remix AI clips and add original reporting, it's a huge win. Now the pain. Generic how-to channels may lose some top of the funnel traffic because the question gets answered before people reach YouTube. Slow publishers, they feel it too. If a bot can summarize it, you must add unique value to stand out. Similar to what happened to content writers. Nobody consumes written content anymore, at least majority of them, but even those who do are bombarded with AI generated content. So the bottom line is complete originality. You have to compete with actual original content instead of making it a commodity. Trust is everything. Expect clear labels on AI generated videos and invisible watermarks to verify provenance. Sensitive topics will roll out slowly with extra safeguards. Also expect scorecards, citations you can tab so viewers can jump into deeper references than human creators. Will this kill YouTube? Short answer is no. Not at least in this moment. Auto-generated videos are great at what? What is this? What is that? Creators win on why, how, what happened when I tested it. Such kind of videos. YouTube thrives on personality, community, and depth. That's hard for a generic answer clip to replace. And YouTube is integrating AI tools itself. So expect more creation, but not less. Here's how to adapt. 1. You run a 2-tier strategy. Publish a 60-second answer clip for the search and an 8 to 10 minute deep dive for YouTube. 2. Be the first. Before even you be the best, you have to be the first. Use AI tools to ship fast, then layer original data, interviews, and benchmarks. 3. Show receipts. Put sources on screen, add chapters, click downloadable one-page help documents. which AI cannot do. 4. Build a personal moat. Humor, stories, a strong point of view. These things AI has to get there. It's a long way for the AI. AI cannot copy your voice or your community. 5. Design for remix. Offer chart packs, timelines, short clips others want to embed, of course, by crediting you. 6. Monetize smartly. Pair shorts with long form, newsletter, and simple downloadables like checklists, templates, and so on. Here's the likely arc. In the next 12 to 24 months, this is how things are going to span out. At least that's what I guess. So in phase 1, video answers are generated for narrow topics. They are labeled, watermarked, and links are still present. Phase 2, one-click create a remix. So it turns a search answer into short and publish it in seconds. Phase 3, shoppable chaptered auto videos. Strict guardrails on policies, health, and sensitive topics. It's not a replacement, it's a new front door to video. Search is turning into short videos. That won't end YouTube. It'll push us to be faster and more original. So, answer this. When video answers go mainstream, what wins the most? You can find the poll under the community tab. Please check it out and let me know. And hit subscribe for a weekly no fluff breakdown on how to win in AI. Until next time.